the chemical industry. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we approach chemical manufacturing and research, streamlining processes and increasing development times. By reducing errors and increasing efficiency, AI allows for a more cost-effective and safer industry, but it doesn't stop there. AI's ability to quickly analyze vast amounts of data and generate predictive models has given the chemical industry a competitive edge on the global stage. This has opened up new markets and created job opportunities, fueling market growth and contributing to economic prosperity. Even more, AI-driven automation has freed up human resources to focus on more strategic tasks, leading to job creation in areas that demand higher-level thinking and creativity. This isn't just about improving the bottom line, it's about fostering innovation and building a sustainable future. AI has indeed reshaped the chemical industry, but what does it all mean for the economy? The influence of AI in the chemical industry has far-reaching economic implications. From the dawn of AI integration, the chemical industry has witnessed a seismic shift. The rise of these digital catalysts has led to significant job creation, with roles evolving in tandem with technology. AI's contribution isn't limited to human resources. It has also stimulated market growth. The industry has experienced an unprecedented surge in productivity and efficiency, leading to an increase in revenue and market size. In terms of global competitiveness, AI has given the chemical industry a new edge. By automating labor-intensive tasks and enhancing decision-making processes, AI has propelled this sector onto the global stage, rivaling traditional powerhouses. And this is only the beginning. The future holds immense potential, with AI set to revolutionize this sector even further, driving innovation and sustainability. The influence of AI in the chemical industry is not just about technological advancement, it's about economic growth and global competitiveness.